Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you my latest wealthy affiliate results, which gave me a $1,300 day, which is my new record. I just want to share that on my channel, as I always update on my progress of how I'm doing these programs, and I hope you can learn something from my experience, guys. So let's get started right now. So what is wealthy affiliate in the first place, guys, right? Wealthy affiliate is actually a online training platform that teaches you how to build an online business using affiliate marketing and a website. So wealthy affiliate teaches you how to drive free traffic from a website. Now, if you want to make money online, that is definitely one of the things that you need to know how to do. Getting traffic online and getting visitors to sell anything online is very important. So driving traffic online is a huge skill that you need to learn, and it's something that Wealthy Affiliate is going to teach you how to build your website so that it generates its own traffic. That means it's going to show you how to rank on search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing, and then it's going to show you how to monetize your website with affiliate marketing. Now, what affiliate marketing is basically you're just promoting other people's products and services to earn commissions. So it's a very easy way for beginners to get into this business and start earning online. However, building free traffic with a website does take a little bit more time, guys, okay? And so with this platform, you need to go into it with the mind that this is going to be a more of a long-term project, because if you think that you can go on here and then just make money within your first month, you're just going to fail, basically, and you're going to give up really fast. So I want you to have the right mentality. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme at all. This is a real online business that you'll be building, okay? This is serious stuff. You're going to really earn big money like I'm going to show you I did. But anything that I show you, my results, guys, okay, disclaimer, my results are not typical and results will vary. But the training is what's important, and that's the training that I've used since 2016. And I'm going to show you proof of this inside Wealthy Affiliate. But why I want to show you here in the front page of Wealthy Affiliate is because I want to show you that in order to sign up and have my little face on the website, you want to use my link. My affiliate link is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. And why you want to click this link and see my face on this homepage is that if you sign up with me, then you're going to get me as a premium coach so I can help you in your online journey. So as someone that's successful with the training, I can really help you with your online journey here, okay? So let's take a look at inside at my record day, guys, okay? So here it is, guys. This is my post on Wealthy Affiliate, inside Wealthy Affiliate. This is on my profile here. Actually, let me just go to my profile first. Here it is. This is something that's on everybody's profile when you join. So this is when I joined, September 2016. This is what I mean by not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? It took me 2 years, guys, to hit super affiliate status here. So I'm in a very competitive niche, which does take me a little longer to see results. So the training here does work, and I'm almost finishing my 3rd year here, and I'm already hitting days like $1,300. So I want to show you that it is a process, but this is how you really earn big money online, guys, okay? You need to take your time to build an online asset like a website and then monetize that with affiliate marketing. And Wealthy Affiliate teaches you exactly how to do this. So this is not something that you can expect in your first year, unless you're very lucky or something like that, okay? Or you find an incredible niche that just gets you traffic very quickly. But on average, it's very gradual. But once you hit that Google traffic, guys, your site just goes crazy and you could be earning big money, guys, okay? So I just want to stress that this is a very long-term game. It's not a lot of online programs teach you, or tell you anyway, they tell you that you can earn a lot of money quickly, but it is not the case if you want to learn how to drive free visitors, okay? So a lot of people that may tell you about very quick results or fast results, and that could be because they're using paid traffic, guys. And if you go paid traffic first, it's going to be very hard for you to keep up, because you're going to have a huge budget to start with, okay? You need a lot of money. But if you want to learn how to drive free traffic first, then you earn from your free traffic, then you invest that money from free traffic into paid traffic. That's how you scale even bigger, okay? And that's kind of like the path that I've been taking. Like this year, I'm testing more paid traffic, and so I'm still learning. So there's so much to learn, guys, okay? But the first thing you should learn is to drive free traffic. The best thing you can do for yourself is build yourself an online asset like a website, so that you can have it ranked on Google and get you that free traffic. There is nothing like free traffic, because that free traffic is very targeted if you're using the right keywords for your niche, okay? And all this talk I just did, you may not understand, but it is in the training and you will learn everything, okay? Please do not compare myself to you as a beginner. I was where you were right, September 2016, okay? So you guys got to take your time, learn everything. There's a lot to learn, but the training here is step by step, guys, okay? There's 5 levels. There's 10 lessons in each level. You guys, it is free to kind of check out and join for free. But guys, you're not gonna make any money using that free membership, okay? Because you only get the first level with your free membership, so you could check it out, see if you like it. If it's your style, that's cool. But that first level, though, with your free account, you do already start building your website, okay? You do get free websites with your free account, so you can see how things work. And the way the lessons are tailored is that you're going to get tasks at the end of each of those 50 lessons to take action, so that you are taking action on things that you are learning right away, so you don't forget. And so that's why I love the way this training works, because it's very step by step for beginners, and it was very helpful for me that way. So another benefit of being in here is this huge online community that a lot of online other programs, training programs, do not have. And the support here is incredible. So not only if you sign up with me, you'll get me to help you, but you're gonna have thousands and thousands of people in the community to help you at any time, okay? There's live chat here, right here, which is also right here on my right, the screen. And then there is, I mean, look at this post right now. I mean, this just came on 8 minutes. Dylan, 4 years at Wealthy Affiliate. And this guy has been earning a lot of money here, guys. This is another one of those successful members here. He's awesome. If you look this guy up and read his blog post on his profile, you will see he's a good earner as well. And to show you how supportive the owners are here, if you look at your help center, these are going to be your coaches. And then if you sign up with me, I'm going to be showing up here left of the owners. And so these guys are reachable, guys, okay? If you upgrade to premium, you have access to the owners and ask them whatever question you want, okay? So they are very forefront in helping you and giving you all the resources that you need to be successful. So guys, if you go back to my profile, it's very easy to find me. You just type in Littlemama up here and you'll find me, and just click that to get to my profile right here. And then I would suggest you guys go through my blogs up here, 144. I've documented my entire journey here from September 2016, okay? And you can read about my journey here. It was not easy the first year, but man, once you break through and get that traffic going, that is where the money is, guys, okay? So how much is it? How much is this platform? How much is this training? It's not a lot of money, I can tell you right now, guys, okay? I've bought many training in my online journey here since 2016, and I can tell you right now, Wealthy Affiliate, it is one of the cheapest programs to get into that you can learn really high income online skills with, okay? So the first thing you're going to see is that if you take the special discount when you come in there, you could get your first month for only $19, guys, okay? And then the next month after that, going forward, will be $49 a month. $49 a month to operate your full business there, it is very, very cheap. Okay, it includes hosting, it includes all the help, all the training, all the live weekly webinars, and all the help that you get, and the tools that you get. You get to create your own website on there. You have many other tools for your website, and also an easy website builder that does not need coding or anything like that. So it is a very friendly environment, user-friendly environment, step-by-step instructions for you guys to learn from. Like I was saying, this is a long-term plan. So if at $49 a month is a little bit too much for you, they do have 6-month plans, okay? But you do have to pay for 6-month plans at once. So that is $234, which works out to be $39 a month. And then they also have a yearly plan at $359 a year, and that works out to about 29 and 92 cents a month. So those are your options for the longer term plans. I also, if you signed up with me with my link, workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, if you use that link, I have bonuses for you as well that I will deliver to you as soon as you sign up for your free account. I will deliver your bonuses, let you know what they are if you were to upgrade to premium. Okay, guys? It is training that is great for beginners because learning how to drive free traffic is such an asset that you can have as in your skill set for if you want to make money online long term in this space, guys. And Wealthy Affiliate is definitely one stop that you should be checking out and seeing how you can build your online asset and make some big money. Okay, guys? Like I said, there is no guarantee of income when you go on this platform. It is a training platform that you are buying. You're buying training, and it is really up to you to use that training and apply that training and work hard at it. Okay, I worked hard for my website and for my online business, and I know if you work hard at yours and be consistent and patient, those are two key things, guys, to success. It is very boring keys to success, but it works, guys. Okay, so I hope I can help you in the near future. So sign up with workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. It's going to be the first link in the video description. Workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. Guys, I hope you will make good money online soon, and I hope I will see you on the platform. So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a like underneath this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos teaching you more ways of making money online. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for coming today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.